Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows system, then watch this video. Now, if we try to uninstall Microsoft Edge with the normal method, that is we right click on start, go to settings, and then we click on apps, click on installed apps. And now let me take an example of Adobe. I can click on uninstall here and it will uninstall. But if I look at the Edge app, then if I click here, there is no uninstall option. So for that, I will use a third-party cleanup. So I will look for Wise Program Uninstaller, search for that, and we will get this Wise Program Uninstaller. We can either click it from here or we can go to the Wise Cleaner website and we can download the Wise Cleaning Uninstaller, and it will set up now. And then we open the file, click on run and click on yes. Now we will click on install by after we accept the terms of license, and we will click on finish. Now we will check if Edge is here. So we will look for Microsoft Edge. This is it. We can also look for all programs, desktop apps. Okay, it should be in desktop apps. Okay, here it is, Microsoft Edge, and we will check it, and then we will click on uninstall, and then we will click on uninstall again. After checking these boxes, scan for residual after uninstallation and create a system restore point before uninstalling. When you click on uninstall, Microsoft Edge will be removed permanently from your system. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.